guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I picked up some Candy Lover, and this is the cat eye gel, and we're just going to swatch these, see what colors they are. And one thing I noticed as soon as I took them out of the package is that they are all in glass bottles, except there is no color difference. Like, they don't have the colors on the top. Except for this one. This is the only one that's different. So yeah, they're just numbered. So it's a guessing game when you open it up. And I would like to, first off, excuse my disgusting fingers, as I just planted a whole bunch of pots and it will not come out with all of my scrubbing. Okay. Very plain. I think I'm just going to cut here and paint them all black first. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this again with some black nails. Okay, so basically this looks like it's got green in it. I'm going to flick on another light here. And did you guys ever use these yet? I'm like so behind the times. This kit did come with a magnet. No directions or anything, so I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. Oh, wow. Okay, it is so weird. Can you guys see that? It's pretty, like, look, it just looks black now. I think I just put it all in the middle. There isn't very much pigment in there that's actually shifting. I don't know. Seems like a dud to me. Let's try this one. Whatever number 6 is, or 9. Okay, so this one is a lot brighter. This again looks green, and I'm not sure. Is it yellow? Oh. Oh. It actually worked. This one actually worked. Can you see that? Swoop-de-whoop, green and yellow. Let me try this again. What color was that? I don't even know. Never mind, because I don't remember what color it was. Alright. See this one. Can you see that? And guys, I don't know which one I've already done. Alright, I'm getting the hang of this. Getting the hang of it now, guys. See this first one again. This one is really subtle. There, I did get it to... Oh, it is so cool. Because you can actually see the pigments, like, floating. Ooh, this looks to be purple. Oh yeah, blue and purple. They're not very user-friendly, I must say. I made it all disappear. I can't get it back. Look, it literally looks just black now. What the heck? There, I made a line underneath it. Okay, you can kind of see a line now. There, can you see that? I don't know. I think I already did that one. That was my number one. Okay, I don't know why this one's like got the hollow on it. What makes it special? Literally looks like one I've already did. They're done. This might be user error. I mean, I really do not know what I'm doing. Like, I got rid of them all again. And you've seen it. Okay, you guys comment down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, can you see that? Look at that. Look at that color. I don't know. Let me give them a cure. See what I did. Alright guys, this is what they look like. Alright, so now that they're all lined up here, you can notice a difference between them all. This one, just a little line. I don't know what happened, but I think cat eye are a fail for me. Definitely need practice. I don't know if it's, you know, this brand themselves. I know this isn't high quality, but yeah. What do you guys think? Have you used this brand? And what brands do you guys like that actually turn out? And if you have any tips and tricks, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.